Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I decided I'm going to roast a chicken. So let's get our chicken out. They really vacuum sealed it in here. There we go. Check and see if there's any giblets in it. Inside of it, nope. So I'm turning the oven on to 400. I want to season this chicken. So let's get some pepper on it. And some salt. Let's do some onion powder. I'm going to do a little cayenne because I like it a little spicy. And you notice I'm flipping it and giving it some seasoning on all sides. Oops. I'm going to dot it with some butter. I've got my oven set at 400. I'm going to bake this, roast this for 30 minutes at 400. Then I'm going to turn the heat down to 375. And This is about a 5-pound turkey. I'm going to roast it at 375 for 2 hours. And I'll be back. Okay, so it's been roasting for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it down to 375 and let it roast for 2 hours. And then I'll be back. So I just pulled my chicken out. It's got a nice crispy dark crust on it. I was going to let it sit for a little while before I cut into it, but I'm starving. So I'm going to cut me off a piece. Ooh, that's tender. Beautifully tender. Get a little piece of this chicken and see what it tastes like. Nice, moist. Skin's good. There's a little bit of chard on it. The skin is crispy and I haven't roasted chicken in a long time, and I love a roast chicken. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You'll give it a like. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.